All right, this is for specialists. We're going to look at exercise 22, question 9. Okay, so we want the vector AB, so that's just B minus A, which is just I minus J, and then we want AC, which is just C minus A, which is just I minus 5J. Okay, and then we want the vector residue of AB in the direction of AC. So your vector U would be given by AB dot AC, which is 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 5, which is 6. And then the bottom would be AC dot AC, or it's the magnitude of AC squared. The magnitude of AC is 1 plus 25, just 26. Root 26 squared is just 26. And then AC is just I minus 5J. So simplify by 3 over 13, I minus 5J. And you're done. All right. Now, we want the shortest distance from the line B to AC. So if you draw a diagram, remember we did your vector resolute. This is your AB, and this is your AC. Okay, when you do the vector resolute, you're just getting this U value. Okay, so this is your U value, right? And that's the point where it's perpendicular. Now, so we've got our U. Now it says shortest distance from B to line AC. So the shortest distance from B, which is this point, and AC, line AC, which is over here, is actually the perpendicular distance, okay, which is over here. So we'll call that W. We want the distance of W, okay, because we want a scalar quantity. So it says distance, it doesn't say vector W, okay. But first of all, we know W is given by the vector AB minus the vector U, okay, which we just found. So AB is given by was it I minus J, and you're minusing the vector you're minusing the vector U. That's I minus J minus 3 over 13 I plus 15 over 13J. What do we get? 1, so 13, so 1I is the same as 13 over 13I. 13 minus 3 is 10 on 13I. 10 on 13I. Minus 13 over 13 plus 15 over 13. So minus 13 plus 15 is plus 2 over 13. J, that's your W, okay? We don't just want W, we want the distance, so it's a magnitude. We want a magnitude of W, so it's just 10 over 13 squared plus 2 over 13 squared, okay? So that's going to be 100 169 plus 4 over 169. So it's going to be 104 over 169. Okay, root 104 over 69, okay. So 169 is 13. 104 goes into 4, so you can take 2 out. 26. Right. So that's the final answer for that. And we want the area now. So the area, if you think about it, the area is actually of ABC is actually this area here. Okay. Oops, ABC is this area here. Okay, so the purpose of doing this was you got a height of the triangle, okay, and you know that the base is AC. So you want the area of the base, you want the length of the base. So once you get half times base times height, half times base times height, you get the area of the triangle. Okay, so the AC is So the magnitude of AC is the square root of I plus minus 5j, so it's 1 squared plus 5 squared, which is root 26. So the area of the triangle will be half times base times height. Okay, we can do the cancelling. 26 cancel, the 2's cancel, and you're left with, so 26 times base times height. So I can't actually cancel this out. So what I've got is okay. So I've got the 2's can cancel out. So I've got root 26 times root 26, which is 26 over 13, which is 2. Okay, because 26 goes in 30 goes in 26 twice. Okay, so that's basically how you do this question.